Oh, didn't see it. Okay, but I'm actually living for this. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. If you want to know how to look like you just came straight off of Xenon, just watch the video, because I come in peace. Literally, 2 months ago, I bought 8 packs of makeup remover wipes. Yes, 8. I can't find one. Where are they? They just grew legs and walked away. I'm setting up to do my makeup to film this. Where's my highlighter palette? That grew legs, walked away. Where's my other eyeshadow palette? That grew legs, walked away. I'm so frustrated. Let's get this started. This is the look. I look like a Ninja Turtle or a, you know, with the mask, a raccoon. I want to do something really colorful today because I'm feeling colorful. So, of course, we're gonna use this Sister James. I don't know him personally. I've never met him. So it's none of my business. Bought it, I like it, so I'm gonna use it. We're gonna go into the white. Oh my God. Go into the white. Just gonna put that all, gosh, don't look at my nails. If anyone wants to cash at me to get my nails done,
bankrupt, like no money on my card.
Don't be afraid to go ham with this because you just want a good base. I want to try a cut crease today. I feel like today would just be a successful cut crease moment, and I'm here for it. I hope you're here for it too. I'm gonna put it on my lid because I just want this part to be really bright. I'm gonna go into the purple, all the way, the darkest purple right here. And I'm just going to put that on my crease and kind of blend it out lightly. Cause I want kind of, you'll see, tap. Messing up with eyeshadow, it's just like, once you mess up, you can't go back. Like that's it, it's on there. Oh my God. I don't like this. Ugh, so annoying. I think this is what I want. I don't know. I like the way it looks. Go into the lighter purple right here and then bring that up a little bit more. Close to the eyebrow thing, but not, you'll see. I actually lied. I'm not gonna go into that purple. I'm gonna go into this. I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna mix these two together and then do it. This is what I was going for. Like, you see what I did? You know my blending, I'm practicing, that's so, okay. The blending part is just really annoying and my wrist is starting to hurt. I think it's time for the cut crease, honestly. So my mom, she got me some new makeup recently. She got me these NYX highlight and contour things, and I'm gonna use this to try and draw a crease, a cut crease. I will actually cry if I mess up. I'm doing good so far. I'm almost there. I'm halfway. Okay. I kind of want to wing it out though. I kind of want to, you know what I mean? This is way better than I did the first time I tried, so I'm content. I feel good. Time for the other eye. So all I did was get that same white eyeshadow that I used in the beginning and then just plop that on. I'm gonna put some color where this white is, and I want to use orange. Orange is my favorite color, by the way. This is really stressful, but peaceful at the same time. Never used this color before, so I hope it's vibrant. Oh yes. I love this. My face is literally a palette. I'm about to start doing all types of crazy colors now. Under my eye, I kind of want to do blue and yellow. So this bright blue right here, and then put it. Oh, I am snapping. I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow in the corner, or should I do red or green? Ooh, that'll be cute. Let's try this lime green right here. The green is doing it for me. I want to add some yellow in here. Literally just doing randoms. I don't even know what I'm doing. Here's my thing. Makeup, yes, is an art. People are very talented, but express yourself. Do whatever you want. Your face is literally a palette. If I wanted to draw a freaking heart and sunflower on my cheeks, I would. I can if I want to, because it's my face and I know it'll look cute. So have fun with makeup. Don't take it too seriously. It's not that serious. It is that serious, actually. Blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blend. And make sure your foundation's the right color. That's it. But other than that, go crazy.
Go crazy. Go stupid. Ah!
Okay. I mean, I guess it did a little something. Just so y'all know, I've been filming this for like 2 hours. I lost my highlighter palette, but good thing my mom got me one of these Strobe Genius. Is it Genius? Strobe Genius palette. Illuminating palette. Look at all the... I could bathe in glitter. Definitely would. Let me fix that. I fixed it as much as I wanted to. So bathe in the highlight. Bathe in it. In all of them. Look. Because why not? Like, who's gonna stop? Who's gonna clock you? Think about it. Who's gonna say anything? No one. And if they do say something, they're not gonna say it to your face. So I feel pretty. Stiff one. Stiff one. For my lips, first I'm gonna use this nude lip liner, and then we'll figure out what color to do after this. Look how fun my mom is. She got me these metallic lip things. What color should I do? I like these, the blue and the little brown. I'm taking this off. There we go. Okay. I think my mustache wax. Hopefully this goes on cute. I love it. I'm an alien. What they do? This. I did good. Oh my goodness. Thank you guys so much for watching my struggle. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Talk to me in the comments, something. I'd be bored. I added some sparkle, some purple. You see this purple? Purple. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.